Waterproof po to, Papa.
Oh, yeah.
Splash Island.
Your body, ha?
Hindi kami have that.
Ito, ginitokpak. Oh, push na.
We're gonna here, gum. Melee. Bro, bro.
Yung kay Coco, iba yung kulay kay Coco lang.
Ah.
Wait lang na.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, we need to settle down first, ha? Settle down.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. Would it matter then? Would it matter then?
43.
Hey, leave your slippers. Kuya Tel. Where's mommy? Mommy, here, at the back. Let's go. Let's go to the river. Hey, let's go to the river.
Hello.
Hey, don't jump on the bridge. Let's go look for a station. Hey, you didn't wait for me though. Let's go get us Santa Vida. Here. Go here, there's a shark. Hey, did you drink water?
No, I didn't drink water, but it got in my nose.
Dude, we're gonna do that, oh. Like this, look at your kuya.
Wait, I'm gonna go there.
Go. Hold my boat.
I almost drowned.
Huh?
I tried floating, but then my body weight got the best of me. Wait.
Oh, let's go to the shower, come on.
Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again like blood on a pen. Would it matter then?
Big bamboo. No, just stay there. See, go. Go.
Go! No! Yeah!
Ocean Trail. Sinong kabado? See? That's how you sit. Go! 1, 2, 3, jump! Kaya lalalayan mo sila si Coco. Let's go guys, let's go! Oh, help one of the guys. Come on, kids.
This suits Teamwork, right?
Yeah. Ate Sky, wait for the help. Very good. Very good.
Let's go in, but very slowly.
You can do it, bro. You can do it, baby. I love you. It's hot? It's hot? Oh, don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, you go there. Hang on. But hang on, hang on. I'll put water because it's hot. Follow Kuya Tel. Dito lang sa side ko, dito lang. Take your time lang. I'll be here. Huh? Kuya Tel is here.
Come here, bro. I can't let you fall. It's free, please. Let's go. I don't get paid enough for this. I don't get paid at all, bro.
Hold this.
Big bamboo.
Yo!
Big bamboo.
What's up?
Bro. One time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's check the landing. Go check the landing. This is where you fly to the road. Let's go. From there, oh. Then you splash. Then you flat on the road. Hindi, sa road ka babagsak. For real. Dapat you make sure na when you land, sa damuhan ka babagsak. So yan, ganito lang siya. Pero ang saya niyan.
Ano oras to? We haven't tried the kiddie pool.
What do you think? This is where you fly. This is where you fly to the road. No, just kidding. You're not gonna fly. What's up, Pam?
Hindi ako marunong mag-ready.
Where are we going? Where are we going? This is how you do it, oh. Are you ready to fly to the road? Does it say? Who's nervous? What is guy? Kuya Tian. See you later. Go, go, go. Stay here in the blue.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered.
Bring your card, bring your card.
I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after.
Go, go, go.
Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again.
Let's go, go. He's stuck. Up na, up na. One more. Go, you're pushing it too hard. Yeah, that's why you stop, because you're pushing it too hard. Yeah. One more. Sit in the middle. I sit in the middle. You go, no, I mean, between you. Hang on. Dito ka sa recto, kuya.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a Moby. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. All this out the ranch, I just told you that about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. This is what it is, yeah, I'm on the make it loud.
Hey, chillin lang, kabilin ka na.
Basta para sa'yo makuha hanggang ka. Buhay ko ang kapalit sa buhay mo rinabay. Dito sa
Yeah.
makikita ko ay swerte dahil ikaw sa akin ang lahat. Ko ay swerte dahil ikaw sa akin ang lahat.